Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both Modern Standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
If you want to say no way in Egyptian, you say مستحيل, مش معقول, or you can say also مش معقول. So either مش معقول or مش معقول. Okay, so we have two common words or two common phrases for impossible or no way. We have مستحيل, which is directly derived from Modern Standard Arabic, and we have also مش معقول, or you can also say مش معقول. As I told you before, if you want to say impossible or no way in Modern Standard Arabic, it is مستحيل. So we say مستحيل in Egyptian, and also we say it in Modern Standard Arabic. Okay, so مستحيل.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.